Hello, welcome to Caergubby, or Holyhead in English. Very grand station, this one. Change here for the ferry over to Ireland here. It's a very long platform, probably to house the Avanti West Coast that comes here sometimes if it's not cancelled. The catering trolley is just coming along. There's a Holyhead seagull. Lovely brickwork there. Old gas lamppost. GHL building there. There's 3 platforms here. Used to be 4. They still haven't taken the track up for that one. Well, they have, but not completely. They've taken the points out. Over there you'll see the port of Holyhead. Freight cars, coaches, and different bits. Lovely looking landmark over there. Departure now is this service down to Cardiff Central via Bangor. Shrewsbury, yeah, you name it. A little look up here. I believe there is a tunnel that takes you through to platform 1. There's the road that goes down there as well. Now, out here is platform number 1. Here we are. Lovely semaphore signals here. Sort of siding here. Nothing in said siding, but there is a siding here. Yeah, Holy Island. I don't know how regularly all of the platforms get used. I'm not 100% sure. Through here is the Stena Line building where they house all of the crew for the boat and etc. Car park. There's a lovely clock tower there. Building looks a bit dated. Not sure what it would have been beforehand. Toy Story. Yeah. So, train wash there. There's an alarm going off in this, what looks like an old goods lift. I'm not sure what that's about. And yeah, this platform can hold 10 coaches. There's an old Woolworths sign over there. It's been there a long time. Oh wow, some jets there. From Valley Airfield, Mosnaga. Flying in sync. We'll be going to Mosnaga later. This platform here leads you out on a completely different side of the water to Holyhead Station. It's really quite interesting. It's a very big station. Yeah, and to get across you have to come out this gate and walk across a bridge. And a Woolworths sign there, it sort of takes you back a bit. Not seen Woolworths in a long time. A lovely bridge there. Not sure how far the track goes up there, probably not that far. And there's a ferry police, see the lorries parked up for it. Here. And another view of that station building over there. Got an old sign there, lift luggage. Yeah, the canopy does look really quite nice here. Through here is the trains. Back to where we started here. And we also have the Steiner Line and Irish Ferries terminal there, the waiting area. And there's also a bus stop, bus station out here, although not a lot in it. And there's also platform 3 there, which just runs alongside platform 2.